So here we have Mr. Bill Vass, Vice President of Engineering, Amazon Web Services. Sir, good to have you here in Abu Dhabi in ADIPEC.
Great to be here.
You signed a huge partnership here in ADIPEC. Could you please give us more information about it and how would it help the energy sector?
So we signed a partnership with IBM to extend the open source subsurface data universe to the edge, sort of outside of the cloud, to allow companies who are multinational to operate that infrastructure locally where data residency is required. So open source data universe runs on the AWS cloud, and there's over 200 different oil companies that are signed up to start using this common schema that is created there for the data lake for all their subsurface data. It allows all of their employees to quickly find the data that's most important and optimize their operations. But some localities require local processing. And with IBM partnering with AWS, we're able to also deliver that local processing outside of the cloud. So that accelerates in local regions and in areas where data residency is important.
So that's a game changer.
It is. It continues to extend the cloud out to the edge and outside of the AWS infrastructure. And our partners from IBM make that possible, both in supporting it and deploying it. And it's available today.
How would that reflect on the business day-to-day of the oil companies or the energy companies?
Well, it would just continue to optimize and accelerate their ability to do better reservoir management, help with their transition to decarbonization, help with their transition to renewable, because there's renewable information in there as well. So it can help with subsurface and platform information for example, wind farms offshore information that's in there, along with grid dispositions and things like that. But it also helps with all the upstream operations that any oil company or energy company would have.
How important to have ADIPEC now after 2 years with all what we went through, meeting everybody, discussing everything, challenges, opportunities. How do you see this event now after these 2 years?
Well, I mean, it's exciting to, come together again with all of our great partners and friends in the industry. We're also very excited. AWS is launching a cloud region here, right next door, inside the UAE, and we're very excited about that as well, and working with all the local companies. So that's one of the reasons we have such a big presence here, and we'll continue to have a big presence here as well.